What is landscape painting? How do we define it? Is it a reporting of a time and place? A mere copy of what we see in front of us? No emotions? No thought? Or is it something deeper? A sharing of a spiritual expression? Something from deep inside, manifesting itself as a landscape. What happens when we let our imagination and paint do the talking? When we loosen up and allow ourselves to see more and do more? What if we paint a landscape that comes from within us, like a meditation or a prayer? What if it was more? Art began, after all, as a sacred ritual in the caves. It was an offering, a way to give thanks to nature for the bounty that it gave them. Imagine landscapes are not just throwing paint on paper and hoping for something to happen. Not at all. It is, in many ways, a spiritual conversation between the artist's soul and the paints as they come to life on the paper. Join me for a 2-day workshop and let's create something more meaningful. Something that comes from deep within us. Something spiritual. Something that comes from our souls.